Biggest players in healthcare like Mayo Clinic, Ada, Noom, Health, and Buoy Health are already using AI to improve patient care. If you're not, or if you are planning to build one without AI, your app is doomed to fail. But it's not too late. You can still catch up. In the next 2 minutes, we'll show you what it takes to build an AI-based healthcare app. The right way. Step 1. Solve a real clinical problem. AI works best when it targets one painful workflow doctors face daily. For example, ER triage tools to flag life-threatening chest pain faster. Step 2. Pick the right AI for the job. Prediction? Go with machine learning. Image scans. Use computer vision. Language data. Bring in LLMs. Don't overbuild. 90% of MVPs fail by going too complex too fast. Step 3. Handle data like a pro. Your AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, and it must be HIPAA safe. Use open medical datasets like Mimic-HA to get started. Step 4. Test in real clinical settings. If doctors can't use it in a hospital, it doesn't matter how good the model is. Run small pilots in clinics and collect live feedback. Step 5. Start small. Scale only after results. Start with one workflow, for example, diabetic eye scan detection. Then, scale to multiple conditions. In healthcare, the app that works isn't the flashiest. It's the one that clears regulations and earns the trust of doctors and patients. Build it right with AI, and you're not just saving lives, you're tapping into a multi-billion-dollar market with high entry barriers and serious ROI. Need help building that kind of product? Partner with Excellent Webworld, and we go beyond prototypes. HIPAA compliant from day one, scalable architecture built for growth, AI-first team with real clinical experience, from idea to deployment fast. DM us or visit excellentwebworld.com for more.